guys, welcome back to another video. So for today, I'm going to be showing you a door that I made. The way it opens is kind of like the pressure plate from Minecraft. So I'm going to be showing you. First, don't mind the door, I can't make this brown. Anyways, so what you need to do is go over here and then jump, and then the door will fall. You can just walk and there. And if you just put like a room up here, then you have a house and the door. And also the door only falls when the pressure plate kind of thing opens and I close it. If you want to know how to make this, or if you want a tutorial, then just comment down below and I'll consider. So I hope you have a great day and goodbye.